Are you struggling with a loved one who doesn't keep their word? Are you tired of not being able to count on your loved ones? Are you feeling lonely in your own family? At WeGetRecovery.com, we are so excited to give you recovery tools so you can put the tough times behind you and find the purpose you were created for. My name is Harold Haven Boggs. I'm a licensed therapist helping you rebuild your marriage and family, alcohol and drug recovery, and trauma healing. And I'm excited to have the privilege of bringing to you a toolkit for relationship solutions. University research shows that 60% of families who struggle with these issues make it through with their family intact and their relationships are better than ever. That's the beauty of recovery. So let's begin by focusing on you support people first. It's your turn. I've created an online class where we clear up the confusion by teaching you how to recognize a crisis before it's too late. Then we recover developing a support system, learning how to be part of the solution instead of the problem, how to do self-care. Remember that, self-care? Remember what that was or used to be? We learn how to apply loving pressure, tough love, how to take a stand, how to create a fresh start, basically, how to help someone with a drug problem without losing yourself. More about that class later. Right now, the end result of recovery is restored relationships. And the key to restored relationships is rebuilding trust. The most common question I get in my therapy practice is about trust. Can I ever trust this guy again? Can I ever trust her again? Trust is the fuel on which each friendship runs, and friendship is the key to a great marriage. So buckle your seatbelts and let me teach you the 6 steps to rebuilding trust. So we're building trust today, and the number 3 trust builder is keeping your agreements. Making and keeping clear agreements builds trust. So, of course, to be kept, an agreement must be clear in the first place. You want to clarify who's going to do what, by when, and where, and how. So again, lots of information. You want to make a clear agreement. And also, because things change so fast, it's also wise to have a plan B and even a plan C. And if things change, you want to communicate. That's what cell phones are really for. Communicate when things change. More information is better. And that ties together your listening and understanding and your honesty and transparency. Communicate when things change. God gave us friends. They're gifts from God. If you value your friend, if you respect your friend, and if you respect yourself, you will be a person of your word. Do what you said you will do. And I like to find a need and fill it. That's a way of life that's been very satisfying. So that's trust builder number 3, and trust is the fuel of friendship. Would you love to have a proven plan to restore your family and help your loved one reclaim their life and get recovery? If so, I have good news. I have put together a comprehensive online course to guide you each step of the way so that you have full confidence in what to do and what not to do, what to say and what not to say, so that you can help your loved one without losing yourself. Our online course is here. I provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to support your loved one on their journey to recovery now. It's called Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. With the proper tools, you can turn this mess into an opportunity. Go to wegetrecovery.com, click on the link for the class, Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. Go to wegetrecovery.com. Go to wegetrecovery.com.